How to transfer from Robinhood Crypto Wallet to Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll show you how you can transfer Bitcoin from Robinhood Crypto Wallet to your Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to transfer Bitcoin to your Cash App from Robinhood, first of all, open up Cash App and then you want to make sure you're under the Bitcoin icon from the bottom right hand side. Once you're on this page here, you'll find the option called Deposit Bitcoin, and here you'll see your Bitcoin address, right? So just go ahead and select View Bitcoin Address in this case. Once you select the option called View Bitcoin Address, you'll be able to see your BTC address. So you want to just make sure to click on the copy button right over here to copy your wallet address. Now you want to head over to the Robinhood application and you want to click on the search button from the bottom, and then you want to search for Bitcoin from the top. And once you search for Bitcoin, you'll see this interface where you have to actually scroll and then look for different type of option, and you'll find the option called Send, which you see right over here. Once you click on the option called Send over here, of course you can just send BTC. So we'll select Enter manually. You can either scan the QR code or select Enter manually here. Once you select Enter manually, enter the wallet address we copied earlier of Cash App Bitcoin wallet address, and once you do that, tap on Review, and then you should be able to verify it, enter the amount of BTC you want to send, and then just click on the Send button. That's all it takes to transfer from Robinhood Crypto Wallet over to your Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.